Good evening, sir.
Hi, hi, good evening.
Net. Just open the door now. How are you, sir?
Perfectly fine. Please tell me.
First of all, thank you for giving your precious time from your busy schedule.
Not an issue. Please tell me. Yeah, go ahead.
First, for the first question, which is there is, what is your learning as a lawyer?
So before just going forward, I'll give you a brief background about myself.
For sure.
So I am Akash Shrivastava, practicing advocate in Jaipur, Rajasthan, majorly dealing in writ miscellaneous matters. I'm working as an associate partner in PK Advocates, Jaipur office. The erstwhile known as Para Squad Associates and Advocate. So I'm working as an associate partner since last 2 years, and I'm majorly dealing in the matters relating to writ jurisdiction, precisely litigations. I am handling firm's team of the due diligence and title sponsorship series as well. So I'm basically heading that division. Now you can tell me about that. What is this interview all about? Please go ahead.
The interview is about I am currently joining a, matlab I'm currently doing a little internship at We Did It Foundation. It is an NGO. Here there's a fourth task that is we need to take an interview of an advocate. So just I'm proceeding with the same. And in this interview,
Okay.
we need to ask three questions from you. So if you give
Okay.
permission,
Please go
I'll
ahead.
start with the first one.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
So the first question which is there is what is your learning as a lawyer?
Learning as a lawyer. So I am from the School of Law and Governance. So in the 5 years that I worked, I learned the theoretical aspect of law. When it comes to this particular profession, I have understood this aspect that it's not theoretical law which is required to be
Hmm.
understood by a lawyer, in more of a procedural law. And litigation is something which is more about procedure and how the things are required to be done, what are the ways to approach to the honorable court. Most of the people consider that litigation is something that just going to the court and arguing a matter. But well, in my last 8 years of 8 plus year, 9 years of experience, the one thing which I have understood is litigation is not only about going to court and arguing a matter. It is about one client coming to your chamber or your office and giving and telling you basically about his problem, and then
Hmm.
you giving him the way forward, or showing him the way forward, how are the things are required to be done, what is the approach is required to be adopted. So from scratch, preparing a strategy to getting this executed and then converting into a result is basically about our litigation. Yes. Next.
I completely agree with your answer, sir. So now we'll jump off to the next question is what is
Yes.
that you want to tell next generation lawyer?
Well, if somebody will ask me my advice to the next generation lawyer, I'll simply give one that generally people tell go work hard, work hard. Now I'll tell you, instead of working hard, work smart.
Hmm.
That's the key of being success in any profession. Yes. Next.
I will definitely follow that step for me myself as well.
Yeah.
Now let's jump to the third and last question. What change you
Yes, please.
wish to see in Indian judiciary?
Well, as far as in my last 9 years of profession and experience in this particular profession, what I'll see is, as far as judiciary is concerned, we have a very shortage of judges.
Hmm.
Precisely, if you're talking about Rajasthan, we have a quota of 52 judges, and against a quota of 52 judges, we are just having 23 or 22 judges working strength of Rajasthan High Court. So, a good number of judges are required to be appointed. Then apart that one thing which I have observed in last few years is that the judges who are coming to high court from subordinate judiciaries, they are also required to give uh, uh, I kind of mentorship lessons of before sending them to the
Hmm.
High Court. That is one thing which is required to be done by the High Court by High Court judiciary or Supreme Court judiciary. That is one change which I'm looking in the judiciary.
I also thought of the same which you told. Um, I make sure that it's not a waste of time for you.
No, no, no. It was never. It was never.
Okay, just this was a short of task which I was appointed. And thank you so much for helping me for
Not an
this.
issue. Yeah, it's all right.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you
thank
for
you so
giving me this
much.
opportunity. Yeah. Okay.